It's been a minute since I've uploaded. With moving, it took me a lot longer than expected to really settle in and start creating again. But look where we are now, where it's all begun. So I had to transfer all my files to this beast right here. This is the 10th generation Legion i7 Pro. Oh my god. And after doing hours and hours of research, I finally found a machine that could do everything I wanted and have enough juice in the tank to last me a few years. The total net spend for this was just under 5k. I had a look at the Lenovo website today, 2 grand more. I'm not sure if that's tariffs or specs we're working with at the moment is an Intel Ultra 9 CPU processor, top of the line, top of the range. 32 gigs of RAM, not standard like that, is intense. As well as the thing that makes it like the NVIDIA RTX 5080. This GPU series that came out this year, and that's where all the money is getting burnt up. And even though I don't game as much as I used to, it's really nice to be confident in the amount of headroom that I have running DaVinci Resolve, AI tools, no sweat. This machine's a beast. If you want a full run through of my 10th generation Legion i7 Pro, drop me a comment, chuck in my DMs, I'll get back to it. I'm gonna get into the video, so thank you for watching, enjoy the content. Catch you again. So yeah, this is my kit. This is going to be my entire brain of my operation, other than my own brain. But yeah, pretty much I have that whole massive desktop PC. Hold on, I might as well show you. The last 3 years, rolling sweet. Got such a big, beautiful monitor, awesome keyboard, nice desk. But you know what? When change is calling and you know you need to make a change, who am I to say no? I have to do it, otherwise I'm gonna die. Yeah, bro, that's it. That's it. Just enjoy the holiday. Enjoy Matariki for what it is. And then, yeah, it's crazy the amount of disrespect. That's what I've noticed. Not only seeing it on Facebook, I seen it today, IRL, buying a hard drive. I bought a 2 terabyte hard drive. I'm like talking to the guy, yo, what's going on? And you're going to enjoy the public holiday, blah, blah, blah. And he has the audacity to say, yeah, well, it's not really like a well-established public holiday, da-da-da-da-da. I'm just like, well, I'm pretty sure people have been celebrating this for like centuries, but okay. And he's like, well, yeah, well, you know, it's like a new one. It's new. Stop talking at that point. I see what I said, and I needed to buy it, and it's like, just put the hard drive in the bag, bro. Give me my receipt. I want to get it out of there. But yeah, disrespect. Other than that, I'm having a good ass time, and I'm moving in T-minus, I think it's like 6 days. Yes, 6 days. Been living here the last 3 years. Now I'm going, it feels so weird. And it truly feels like ridiculously weird, but I think it's not only for the best, but I think it's like a long time coming. After coming back from Japan last year, I probably should have gone. It's like Japan took a brick, threw it at my head, and it took me, I think, like a whole year to recover. To take everything from that beast to this beast. Okay, what is going on, everyone? It is the second night of me when I've set up my laptop. Today on the menu we have lamb shoulder chops, and I'm just doing them on the grill, and then we'll sort it out later. So I'm doing like an oriental mint style lamb chop, seasoned with vinegar, soy sauce, salt, pepper, thyme, a little bit of rosemary. What else? Mint, obviously. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, it's gonna be my last time using the barbecue. We've got about 4 days or so left, which is it's pretty interesting because it's freezing. I'm not really keen being outside, but just need to keep soaking as much of this as I possibly can. And yeah, thinking about my time living here, I'm just so extremely grateful that I've even got to be living here for as long.
It's been one hell of a ride, eh? I've transferred all my files from that big ass desk computer to their laptop, and the bare amount of times I've been using it today, it's been, oh, as well as yesterday. I played a little bit of games on it today. Oh my God. I don't know. It feels like deluxe. It feels like me. Like I said, pivot, go about my business, got that laptop, organize the buy from the desktop, and then we're sweet. And yeah, I'm actually really, I'm stoked. Like there's no words to describe like how truly grateful I am for myself. Well, lots of grateful this episode, but nah, like for real, that I pretty much like found and like moved so quickly, because they could have easily like spiraled out of control in terms of, you know, being too much to do, too much to deal with. And hold on, this is the first flip. Okay, where we at? Where we at? Lamb shoulder shops, don't sleep on them. Why does that one look burnt? That's staying, that's getting sold. All the space was like all my old gear. I'll be taking that as well. Hopefully got a buyer for that. And then over this way is where I had all my wood. I bought, what was it? Half a cubic meter 3 years ago. And that lasted the entire time. Like, and I've been grilling, I've been smoking heaps of meats. I've been grilling. I didn't even have like a proper smoker, but I don't know, like when you just have it, I guess things happen. And we've got lamb shoulder chops, rice, and broccoli for dinner. It's just a bit of a catch up because I posted a Instagram video a few days ago and a lot of new people subbed up, which is super cool. Super grateful for all the subs. But yeah, other than that, I don't really have much else to say. I've been kind of like, I don't know what I've been doing. Just lounging around, enjoying the time. And what was I saying to Antonio today? It was like a couple weeks ago, I felt like I was going hardcore cyber psycho. If you haven't watched like cyberpunk or like anime or something like that, it's pretty much when you just like lose your mind and you're just like going crazy. Is that like stress or something? I don't know if it's stress or yeah, probably like neurological stuff, your nervous system. And that's probably just because I'm making a massive change, like I'm heading out. I think it's genuinely gone into that point where, damn bro, like seriously, like whatever happens, happens. I just want to have fun. I just want to like a super fun life. Have a look at that smoke. See that smoke? I think we can have a little taste test of this. Can you see my breath? Bro, I just dropped it on the ground. Where the f did it go? No way. I think one thing me and Antonio are gonna miss real hard is that bloody lamb chops, eh? She never grew up on lamb chops, because I've had lamb chops since the start of my existence. And it really is that good. But I don't know why it's like so slept on. And it's freezing, eh? This winter's for sure the coldest one that I've had probably since I moved here. But we're going. We're going. And it's not like we're picking up the whole house, because the next person that's moving in, buying up all of the stuff like the couch and all the other accessories and stuff, TV and stuff. So we're moving quite light. Yeah, like once I fully like surrendered, but it's not surrender like waving the white flag. It's more like surrender as in like, don't think about shit too hard and just let God and the universe take control, and whatever happens, happens, right? That's like the theme. It's like I'm like telling you guys my script. I'm gonna get super rich and have super lots of fun, and then we're gonna have a family and then fin. Like, nah, not at all. I wish it was like that easy, you know, like I had script writers for me. But yeah, no, I'm pretty excited for what's about to come. Let's get a plate because I think we're pretty much done. I've been straight grilling in the dark too, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Yeah, so don't confuse surrendering to not trying. We're definitely in one of the biggest tryhards ever. You need to try. And it's not like you can surrender and then just like do dumb shit like, I don't know, gamble your rent money away. But you have to be teed up as well to really make the most out of it and maximize it. In my station in all its glory. So yeah, within the last 5 minutes, you've been rolling on max heat, and you just go through. I feel like I haven't even completed the story about what I was saying. Like when you just surrender, things happen. Like the universe provides. You surrender to the unknown. You just say, hey, whatever, screw it. You got to keep in your patterns that's really good for yourself. Like move your body around, stretch, breathe, eat well, all of those good things. And then you surrender, you be like, oh, hey, you know, so be it, whatever happens, happens. And then the universe or God or whatever you believe in provides. When I'd done that, this week alone, so last week I was kind of like, still kind of bugging out a bit. But then this week specifically, I was like, nah, screw it. Like, I don't care anymore. It's not like I don't care going emo, but just like, you know, like putting my hands up and be like, all right. You know, you got me. I'll leave everything alone. I can't control everything. Better things happen to me. My laptop arrives. People are nicer. I'm like in a better mood. Work goes exponentially like through the roof better. I got some good results as well. And it's like, well, why can't life be easy like this all the time? Is it easy though? No, I think it's like disciplined as well. Like, I think you have to be disciplined to not allow yourself to like crash out or just go batshit crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna have some dinner and then I'll catch you all later. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching all the video. I'll see you again. You know what this reminds me of? Cowboy Bebop.
Cowboy Bebop.
Cheers. That was way too good. Final move out day. Last car, took a carload. Now look at this. Full carload again. I was just reminiscing with Ant over there. It's been 3 years. 3 whole years. It doesn't feel that long. One hell of a time, eh? Crazy. But you can't really see much. See you later. You're not gonna see this every day. I would like to say I've appreciated the view. Whoa. Get into the car and always buckle up, guys, and then drive the hell out of here. See you later view, see you later car, I mean house, I mean a little shack on by the beach. See you later. I'm going. We're leaving. Where we're going, I don't know myself, but it's gonna be fun. And so that's it. I didn't film too much of the actual process moving out because, I mean, like packing and stuff, because it's not really that fun. I mean, let me know in the comments if you like packing yourself, but I truly don't. I had too many things, and then where the new shift is, or the next shift is going to be, I wouldn't even say like a fraction, a very, very small fraction of what we actually have, what I have. And so, yeah, peace out, Pakakariki, and I probably won't catch you again.